Cordaceps is a medicinal mushroom that's native to the Tibetan Plateau and the surrounding Himalayan regions of India, Nepal and Bhutan. And it's a parasitic fungus that's really unlike other mushrooms because it infects and completely takes over the brain and the central nervous system of living insects. There are many different species of Cordaceps, and each one targets a specific insect as a host organism. But the species of Cordaceps that's been most widely used in traditional Eastern medicine systems is Cordaceps sinensis, which parasitizes the larvae of ghost moths, which is why it's known as the caterpillar fungus. And the Tibetan name for it is Yartsa gunbu, which literally translates as summer grass, winter worm. It preys upon larvae that are hibernating just below soil level, and the fungal mycelium takes control of the central nervous system of the larva and immediately repositions the body so that the head is actually facing towards the soil surface. And this means that when the reproductive fruiting body of the mushroom is produced, it can penetrate the soil and extend upwards into the air above, releasing all of its spores that are going to be carried and dispersed very far and wide by alpine winds. So this is absolutely amazing because a mushroom is taking over the consciousness of an invertebrate animal and controlling it in a way that ensures the maximum propagation of its own fungal genetic lineage. So Cordaceps is one of the most highly prized natural medicines on Earth, and it's been used in the East for thousands of years. And up until very recent history, that was a privilege that was enjoyed exclusively by royalty and just the wealthiest members of society. Cordaceps also has a strong reputation as a performance-enhancing herb, firstly because of this effect that it has on the respiratory system, but also because it can increase our physical and mental endurance, and it enhances our ability to heal and repair. And this is actually how knowledge of Cordaceps first began to permeate the Western world, because 3 female athletes broke 5 world records in track events at the Beijing National Games in 1993. Now this attracted some suspicion at the time because all 3 of these athletes were on the same team, but they all tested negative for narcotics. And when they were questioned, their coach explained that as part of their training regimen, the team had been consuming daily doses of a herbal formula, and the main ingredient